here's how to sign up for this affiliate program. You basically go to WaveIfYouLike.com and you scroll all the way down and you'll see a link to affiliate program. All you would do, if you're new to this, you would land on this page and you would fill out this profile, only 3 fields, and create your account. Make sure your email is correct and password is something obviously you can remember, and you'll be in the program. Now, I already have an account, so every time after you create your account, all you would do on the very same field, you would click login, and I'll log in right now. So from the login screen, you'd come here and you'd see your dashboard. You'll see your payments. Obviously, this is just a test account, but you'll manage everything from here. If you want to have affiliate links, basically all you'll do is, let's say you want to just send people to the homepage, is you'll type the URL. You see just like this, https waveifyoulike.com, and then you see on the right side, they'll add this ref equals some code. Well, that's your affiliate code. So anybody that you refer who either buys as an affiliate or signs up to be an affiliate, which means they're in your MLM program, you'll get the credit for this. And this whole thing is managed by third-party reputable software, so you don't have to worry, do I trust Alex? I don't know if he's going to pay. I don't know anything about him, right? Well, don't worry, because I actually use a third-party software for this. I can't change it, add it, or subtract. It's all managed by a third-party affiliate management company. So that's for your affiliate program. So once you take this link and you click copy, and once you post it somewhere and people click and buy from this link, you'll get the affiliate referral commission. Now, let's say you are recruiting somebody to be in your MLM, right? Your multi-level marketing, meaning they sign up as an affiliate through you so that you get a commission whenever they sell something. Well, that's under your network, right? You get this link. So if you're telling anybody online, hey, there's this great program, and people are like, oh yeah, I'd love to sign up, this is the link you send to them. Not the one I'm showing you, because the one I'm showing you has my referral code on it, but the one that you'll have in your account. And whatever money you make, either from your marketing or from your own network, you'll see in the payments. Obviously, this is just a test account, so the payments here are test payments. But this is where you'll manage everything. And let's say you don't want to send anybody to just the homepage. What you can do is take any page of the site, any product. For example, let's say we're on this cat t-shirt. All you do is grab the URL, copy and paste the URL of this page, come to your affiliate dashboard, click on marketing tools, paste this, and in here, it's a long URL, but you see here it added this referral. Here you'll see it didn't have this referral, right? It had that variant equal something something, but not the referral. So it added the referral link. So in any case, wherever you send people to, as long as they come through this link, you're going to get the referral commission if they buy. So it's very easy. There's no requirement to sign up, and you can sign up in just 2 minutes. Again, go to waveifyoulike.com, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on affiliate program, and this is really where you'll create your account and then log in from then on. Just one quick note, there's a support Facebook group for this course and for all my affiliates. It's very easy to find. All you can do is search Facebook for WaveIfYouLike Affiliates, and you'll see this group will come up, WaveIfYouLike Affiliates. Or you can actually go there directly, facebook.com/groups/WaveIfYouLike Affiliates, and I'll have the link to it directly in the resources section of this video. So you can use that link, click it, and you'll get right here. And here I post a lot of tutorials and stuff like this with marketing strategies that you can do. But in this course, you have plenty of marketing strategies, so you don't have to worry about it. So just sign up for the affiliate program now, and with the very next video, you'll begin to be able to start promoting it.